these are what we call sprays, okay? So these are already created sprays that have the flower, and they have it already terraced for you, so you don't have to think about positioning. You saw me make a wreath with the blue the other day, and all I've done is really gone through and kind of shaped and fluffed this a little bit. So these are colors that are already picked. Like, how simple is this, right? The color is there. Is this colors that you would have normally chosen? Probably not, but hey, it's already done for you. Simple, easy breezy, right? And so now from here, we can start to just work and enhance our color selections. So I'm pulling out all of the colors in this spray, and I've already created my bow. So I have a bow already made. And then let me show you the other colors that I've chose. So from here, I'm pulling out more peach. So I've got these peach sprays, and if you look, the peach spray on this one has got a little bit of that pink on the tips. So this is a peach rose spray, and it's got some of the pink, and it's also got some of the green. How fun! Oh my God, this is so fun, isn't it? All right, so now we've got peach. Let's pull over a little more pink. So we have to be careful of, remember, if you've not watched the other videos, you should go watch them, but we're always looking at the dominant color. What do we want to dominate our wreath? I decided to use the hot pink. So we're going to dominate our wreath with this hot pink. So I wanted to show you a little bit of hot pink. So this is more, they call this, I think this is called a beauty. So anytime you see the color beauty in silk flowers, that means hot pink. And so this is pretty much a good match for this same little flower that's already on our spray that is our inspiration. So I'm bringing over a little more hot pink, and then also to pull out the lavender. I wasn't sure yet what to use, but I brought over a couple of things. I loved these berries. We add berries for texture. So when you are wreath making, or maybe you're making your arrangements, berries are what adds texture. Your flowers add texture, your greenery adds texture, but when you are looking for something that is going to break it up from a bunch of flowers, look for your berries, because that is something that's going to add texture. To me, texture means more money from my customers, because a lot of people fail to add that texture. It makes your designs look real and look fresh and look professional. I also added a little white over here. I'm not sure if I'm going to use that. And then I brought over this other greenery that has a little purple in it. So just depends. Both of these are going to add texture, but I wasn't sure exactly what I'm going to use. So we have some lavender and some other flowers, but that is our color palette that we're working with. Here we go. Pretty. So pretty.